Hello, my little champs and big champs, and welcome back to Satrishi School of Skill Development. My name is Akshita Sanvi Singh, your teacher and educationist. And let's start without any further discussions of our topic today. This is not a topic, ये quiz है आज, quiz है. And I hope you all are enjoying our videos so far. We are almost to hit 100 subscribers, and I hope you guys will give us all the support and love you have been giving us throughout this all time. So yeah, let's start without any further discussions, and thank you very much for all the love and support. I am saying the starting of the video, नहीं तो मैं लास्ट में भूल जाऊंगी तो फिर आप लोगों को तो चाहिए ना. थैंक यू. Can you guess the idiom? 8 pictures, 8 idioms, 0 boring vocabulary. Okay, let's start. तो आज का गेम होने वाला है. This is going to be a game. It is about idioms. I hope you guys know what idioms are. One of the most common idiom is piece of cake. So I hope you all know that piece of cake is a damn idiom. What does it mean? Comment me down below, and also it is also in this quiz, so let's see. Let's start with any further discussions. So yeah, sorry. How to play? Look at the picture, guess the idiom and reveal the answer. Okay, yeah, look at the picture, no words, just images. Your brain has to do the work. Guess the idiom, say it out loud, type it, whatever, just this. Yeah, of course. Okay, so look at the pictures, no words, just images. Your brain, yeah. So no cheating. आपको मीनिंग को नहीं देखना है, आपको बस वर्ड की तरफ देखना है. Let's say if I show a word, then you have to tell me the meaning. You have to comment it before I show the meaning. Okay. Then guess the idiom, say it out loud, type it. Okay. Then reveal the answer, see the idiom, its real meaning and how to actually use it. Yeah. अगर आपने गलत किया है, सही किया, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, जमाना क्या कहता है. आपको बस उसको एक बार रिवील करना है अपने आंसर को. If you know it, wow, you are a genius. Okay, let's start. Fine. You saw it? You will not. Okay. It's raining cats and dogs. What is the meaning of it's raining cats and dogs? Comment me down fast. Which idiom is this? If you have commented it, let's see which idiom this is. Its meaning is it's raining extremely heavily, a total downpour. It is raining extremely heavily. Okay. If अगर थोड़ा बारिश हो रहा हो ना तो उससे हम we will say it as drizzling. But अगर बहुत तेज, it's giving up downpour, then we will say it's raining cats and dogs. This is like a kind of idiom, okay? Like kind of idiom. I hope you didn't see the meaning before you typed it. You are cheating then. You are cheating. If you're not cheating, no problem. You're honest guy. You do it like this. Grab an umbrella. It's raining cats and dogs. Out of here. आपको umbrella लेनी है. कुत्ते बिल्लियों की बारिश हो रही है. आपको बस भागना है वहां से. Simple as that. Simple as that. So yeah. This is known as nobody knows why cats and dogs. Yeah, of course. I don't understand what's up with English or whoever made this idiom thing. Why cats and dogs? Why not horses and donkeys or humans and monkeys? Horses and donkeys, humans and monkeys. Why aren't they pouring down? Right? I have this really big question in my mind, but no problem. It's their choice. Let's move forward. Then is idiom. Idiom number 2, break the ice. What is the meaning of break the ice? Does it mean ice ko todna? No, it doesn't mean to break the ice. What is the literal meaning? I hope you didn't see the meaning before you typed it. And if you are thinking that I'm not able to hide it, pause the video after listening to the break the ice and everything. Then type your answer in the comments, and then we will come back to the meaning. Meaning is to do or say something that eases tension and starts a conversation. Break the ice. Means like there is a silence. Everybody's talking and there is silence. You suddenly break the ice. You suddenly broke the ice. Everybody's talking, hey, nice, that what's up, everything was good. Then suddenly it became silent. Then you were suddenly like, what's up going now, man? Bro, what are you doing and everything? So you're breaking the ice. You are breaking the tension that is between the conversation. ठीक है, फिर आपको कैसे यूज करना है? He told a silly joke to break the ice at the meeting. Yeah, he told a silly joke to break the ice, to break the silence at the meeting. Great for first dates, meeting or awkward elevator rides, of course. Break the ice is great for elevator rides, meetings or awkward elevator rides. So you're standing like this in an elevator, you see a girl coming inside and you're like, hey. So that's how you break the ice. Okay, so don't forget. Okay. Spill the beans. Spill the beans. What is the meaning of spill the beans? This is idiom 3, spill the beans. It is not about spilling the beans. If you understood the meaning, if you have already typed the meaning is to reveal a secret often accidentally or before you're supposed to. अब भाई आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने आपको एक सीक्रेट बताया, जैसे उसने बोला कि क्या सीक्रेट हो सकता है यार? हम्म, कोई भी सीक्रेट बता दिया, मान लो यार, मैं क्या बताऊं, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने तो मेरी सीक्रेट नहीं हो सकता। तो या तो आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने आपको एक सीक्रेट बताया, अब आपने जाकर ये सीक्रेट अपनी मम्मी को बता दिया। यू स्पिल्ड, ओ माय गॉड, सॉरी, यू स्पिल्ड द बीन्स मीन्स आपने रायता फैला दिया। ये हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, रायता फैला दिया इसने, तो उसने एक्चुअली में रायता नहीं फैलाया, इट्स जस्ट एन इडियम, इट्स ए हिंदी इडियम, दिस इज एन इंग्लिश इडियम, दैट स्पिल द बीन्स, स्पिल द beans. Come on, spill the beans. What happened at the party? So this is like spill the beans, reveal the secret. What happened at the party? तो इसे ही बोलते हैं रायता फैलाना. This is a Hindi term, Hindi idiom, and this is an English idiom. तो मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो फैलाना ही है, और वो भी खाना ही फैलाना है. क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हो भाई? हमें दे दो ना, हम खा जाएंगे. You know? Okay, let's move forward. Next is it's a piece. ये क्या ही दिखाऊं मैं? You already know this one. It's a piece of cake meant it is easy or no effort is required. Obviously. अब केक का टुकड़ा काट के उसको दिखा के तरी बोलेगा ना, इट्स अ पीस ऑफ केक. ऑब्वियसली नॉट. यूज इट लाइक दिस, डोंट वरी अबाउट द टेस्ट, इट वाज अ पीस ऑफ केक. हे तो मुझे नहीं आएगा ना, डोंट वरी, द टेस्ट वाज द पीस ऑफ केक. या नॉट टू बी कंफ्यूज विद एक्चुअल केक विच रिक्वायर्स एफर्ट. ऑफ कोर्स एक्चुअल केक को काटने में आपको ऐसा एफर्ट लगता है कि बड़ा लूं या छोटा लूं. दोस्त की बर्थडे में आया तो छोटा ही लेना चाहिए, छोटा पीस ले लेती हूँ. अपना बर्थडे पूरा केक ही उठा के भाग जाओ. तो दिस इज नोन एज पीस ऑफ केक, एंड दिस इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन पीस ऑफ केक, एक्चुअल पीस ऑफ केक, एंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन इडियम पीस ऑफ केक. नेक्स्ट इज hit the sack. Oh, hit the sack. Hit the sack meaning is not to beat or hit the sack. Its meaning is to go to bed or go to sleep. Obvious. That's the obvious reason. You already have a picture here, so you are cheating. Okay, you are cheating. You already have a picture here to go to bed or go to sleep. That this is your bed and you hit it. So this is known as hit the sack. Okay? You're like this. I am exhausted. I'm gonna hit the sack early tonight. I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. So this is like an idiom term which is commonly used along natives. No actual hitting involved, just very tight person. Yeah, no actual hitting your bed or beating it or beating the pillow, taking out the covers. No, thank you. It actually means to go and sleep peacefully. Okay. Next is it cost an arm and a leg. Oh my god. It cost an arm and a leg. Okay, so this is an idiom. What does this mean? Oh, I forgot to hide it. I'm so sorry, man. It means something was extremely expensive. Okay, so you're talking about an iPhone, right? Because people are selling their kidney for buying an iPhone. So this is like something was literal expensive. So you actually cut your arms and legs and you bought it. So this is known as it cost an arm and a leg. Usually like this, that new phone cost an arm and a leg. I am still recovering. Yeah, okay. He actually didn't cut his arm and a leg, but he says that it was a half of my bank balance. So it was so expensive. Thankfully, fugitive, your limbs are safe. Yeah, your limbs are safe. Don't worry, it is fugitive. Next is I am feeling under the weather. What is the meaning of I am feeling under the weather? Comment me down fast. If you've commented down already, let's see. It means feeling sick or unwell, not at 100%. Yeah. I'm feeling exhausted. I'm feeling sorry. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling exhausted. This is known as to be under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather. Meaning is feeling, use it like this. I might skip the gym today. I'm feeling under the weather. Okay, I don't care. Skip the gym. Which idiom is this? This is, feeling sick and unwell. I might skip the gym today because I'm feeling under the weather. This is an example. The polite way to say, I feel like garbage. Ooh. Polite way to say, I feel like garbage is to say, I'm feeling under the weather. I feel like a garbage. You feel like a garbage every day. You even smell like garbage. Just kidding, man. Just kidding. Okay. Don't get offended. Okay. Next is you let the cat out of the bag. You let the cat out of the bag means to accidentally reveal. This is also like spill the beans only. Why are only फूड आइटम्स, बस खाने के आइटम्स और एनिमल्स को ही मतलब किए जा रहे हैं? पहले कुत्ते बिल्लियों की बारिश हो रही थी और रायता फैल रहा था, अब बिल्ली बैग से बाहर आ रही है. They are meaning to accidentally reveal a secret. Use it like this. Nice going. You let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Nice. You let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. You already revealed the secret about the surprise party means to set the cat out of the bag. Okay. But I don't understand this common sense of English. Then why are they always letting a cat, a dog, or a beans spill or rain? What does it mean, English? What is this, English? What is this? Cousin idiom of spill the beans. Same energy, different number. Yeah. Cousin. This is cousin of spill the beans. As usual. Next is speed round all the time. Oh, finally. Finally, we're over with this damn idiot test. Quick fire cheat sheet, perfect for a final review. These are some final reviews, idioms. Raining cats and dogs. Heavy rain. Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. Hit the sack. Go to sleep. Under the weather, feeling sick. Break the ice to start a conversation. Piece of cake, very easy. Cost an arm and a leg, very expensive. And let the cat out of the bag, accidentally reveal a secret. So these were about 8 idioms, or we can say 8 idioms test that we had. And I hope you enjoyed this video and obviously learned few of them, even few. कुछ ही यूज कर लो भाई, कुछ ही यूज कर लो, मजा आ जाएगा, सच बता रही हूँ. You will feel like a native English speaker and मम्मी के सामने बोल दो, मम्मी I spilled the beans, और you can say मैंने रायता फैला दिया. इवन दो आपने फैलाया तो दूध ही होगा, क्योंकि आपने चढ़ा के फिर छोड़ दिया होगा तो दूध फैल गया होगा. इसलिए यू कैन से दिस कि मम्मी आई स्पिल्ड द बीन्स, but it is not a literal idiom. It is actually what you did. So this is known as idioms. Very funny, very gullible. So let's not gullible. Very funny, very enjoyable. So let's move towards our ending of this video. I hope you like this video, and I like this video. Share this video. Comment any of the queries that you have in this video or any topics you want after. And yeah, of course, subscribe to our channel. Yeah, and meet you with our next video with a new topic. Till that, namaskar. Bye bye.